More secure cash transfers are needed, so says National Security Minister Dr. Chang, who was responding to the recent Beryllium money heist. More in this report.
Following last Friday's robbery of a Beryllium security team at Scotiabank in Mandeville, Manchester, Minister of National Security Dr. Chang said steps must be taken to better manage cash transfers across the country. Sometime after 5 p.m. on Friday, men armed with high-powered weapons attacked the Beryllium security team and made off with money.
I know the police is discussing with the principals who are involved and the banks to make it more difficult for them, right? But the police has been maintaining a pretty sharp watch, which is why I've added more. But they slipped through on this one, and we have already apprehended a significant number of the players. Right? So that's where we are now.
On Wednesday, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey said there was a major breakthrough. 4 people were arrested in connection with the brazen robbery. Still, for Dr. Chang, the robberies are a big concern.
Some work has been done between the banks and the conveyors in strengthening the capacity of the players to prevent the robbery.
Jamaica is still largely a cash economy, and efforts to offer other transaction options have faced opposition. Dr. Chang pointed to the negative reactions to the government's recently introduced digital currency Jamdex. That's why he indicated there will be no wholesale move to electronic transactions as opposed to courier truck deliveries for money. Dr. Chang noted, however, that efforts have been made to strengthen the security vehicles and personnel.
So steps are being taken, and some work is currently in train that will strengthen the movement. Right? We expect to have, say, not only strengthen the facilities involved and the banking facility, the vehicles, the security guards, etc. But as we invest in the police and give them greater intelligence capacity, we're able to find and track the character involved.
IT expert Craig Powell said currently certain electronic transactions are difficult.
Just because of the amount of underbanked, I think it's like at least 30+% of the population who are not in the banking system. If you're not in the banking system, then you don't have access to a debit card or a credit card.
But with no physical cash, Mr. Powell said there can be no robberies like the ones seen recently.
Criminals will have to figure out how to do cyber hacking, which is much, much harder. But the way Jamaica is at this exact moment in time, a lot of people are unbanked. And so it'll be more important for the government and the banking system to try to get people to come on.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.